Need help setting up proxies in Dolphin Anti-Detect browser? I've got you covered. First, open Dolphin Anty and click on the Proxies category, then select Create Proxy. Now, head over to your proxy provider. For this example, let's use ProxyLink. Click on Proxy Generator and fill in the country and other parameters according to your preferences. Once you've done that, click on Generate and copy the entire proxy. It doesn't matter what format it's in. Dolphin Anty will adapt it automatically. Next, paste the entire proxy here and click on Add. Now, follow me to test if your proxy is working. Click on Check Connection. If it says active, it means the proxy is functioning properly. Now, let's move on to setting up the browser. Go to the Browsers category and select Create Profile. Fill in the name and other parameters as you like. Next, click on Saved Proxies and select the one you just added. Once done, click on Create. For a second verification of the proxy, go to the right and click on Check Connection. If you see an IP here, everything is good. Now, launch the browser by clicking on Start. Let's go to whore.net to ensure that the proxy is correctly linked to the profile. And there you have it. The proxy is successfully configured. If you want to get Dolphin Anti-Detect browser and access to proxies, don't forget to check out the link in the description below. And remember to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.